blazing knockout chick.
Go get some Netflix, please. Your wife during sexual encounter.
How many abortions have you had?
Let's run that back. Let's see a little further.
Both trials. Did you tell me that my ex was messing with your friend wife right away? I can't even talk. What's happening, Pizza Gang? It's your girl J Ball, and I'm back with another video, y'all. As y'all can see by the title, woohoo! We putting Twinsky in the hot seat, blazing knockout chicken. Answer the questions. If you don't, bite the chicken, no wrench. So we're just gonna ask a couple spicy questions. We're gonna go back and forth just to spice it up, and then that'll be that, y'all. Y'all go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, share with all y'all people, and yeah. Twinsky in the building, y'all.
Damn! Is it fur on this fucking car?
Jalen, get that chicken up. We eating this chicken. I guess that's even more spicier, y'all. What the fuck? Wow.
You irritating, bro.
I wouldn't eat that one, but these two look good. It don't matter, bitch.
Yeah, it's probably still.
Pieces look good.
No, don't give me them affected ass. You eat your chest here. I don't want to eat it. Is the
Camera quality good? I don't, like, how do I... Bitch, sit down! You gotta quit! Sit down! Bitch, shit. Hit me again. Yeah, that's for you, bitch.
You ready? We finna get into this video, y'all. Sorry about that. Oh,
Go get some Netflix, please. That shit high as fuck.
alright, y'all. First question. Name your favorite eater. I'm pissed off. I'm not finna even play with you. Answer the question about the chicken.
Name your favorite eater.
You know what? Hell yeah.
You know what?
Yeah.
You could just take a little nibble. I would just take a little nibble. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. That shit hot. Bitch. Woo! You got many more to go, buddy.
Cut the show.
No, Jalen, what the freak? Is that high? I don't know why you took such a big. That nigga took a big bite. Woo, shit, yo, that's hilarious.
Okay, my turn.
Are you crying? Yeah, I bet you I won't take a big bite.
Right.
My what?
Name your favorite ex.
Favorite ex? Jada.
Who?
Jada.
That's your ex?
Yes, we're not together. We broke up. But we still. That's my ex. My favorite ex. Oh, my turn. Who is your favorite friend?
I have a lot of friends. I love all y'all. My favorite friend, I will say, is Derry.
Okay. Okay, your turn.
Alright. Out of your friend group, your best friend group, you gotta choose one. Which one you would choose to cut off?
My best friend group? What best friend group?
Did you have a best friend group?
No, I do not.
Yes, you do.
Incorrect. I do not have a best friend group. I don't. So you're gonna have to ask a different question.
Out of your best friend
No,
group?
I don't.
Okay. Alright.
If I did, I used to. If I did, you have to answer that.
Name a nigga that turns you off during sexual encounter.
Huh?
But why you gotta say it like I just be out here effing niggas though?
I'm trying to spice it up. Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah. Let me do another question. Name a person that you double back on.
I wouldn't double back. I wouldn't double back.
Name a person.
I would not double back. So now it's my turn. You said name a person I would double back on. I wouldn't double back on nobody. Gotta be better than that, buddy. Woo! Okay. How many abortions have you had? Say the number or bite the chicken.
I'll say about 2 abortions.
What? About? Don't be on my camera line, fool. Just bite the chicken, honestly.
I said.
I don't think you're being honest.
I'm being very honest.
Swear to God.
2 abortions.
You being honest? Only about 2?
Name your favorite eater. Let's run that back.
Tag.
And then run that
How
back.
do you get on there?
I did.
Wow.
Let's see a little further.
How about we just eat from the same chicken? Brush your teeth after. I think I done got used to the shit. Oh.
That shit blew me off guard.
The chicken? It's hot as fuck.
It's like I was drinking like liquor. You know how you have to take a shot at the liquor? And that reflex.
Mm-hmm. It's hot as hell.
Yup.
What was the last lie you told?
The last lie that I told.
Just bite the chicken.
I don't think I lied. Alright. How many dudes you fuck?
I say 2. Both trials.
What you got
Trying
explaining
1,
for?
trying 2.
What
I
are you
gotta let my
explaining
people know.
You
I'm
gotta
not
let
out
your
here just.
I ain't say that. You don't gotta explain.
Yeah, but I'm letting them know.
2.
Yeah, 2. Has the dude ever slid on you? If so, who?
Fucked up.
Hey, yo. My lips burn, so I can imagine what yours feel like. Wow. That's tough. That's tough, beans, bro.
Alright. Question for you. Who is your favorite gift giver? Name that person.
Gift giver?
Who give you the best gifts?
Well, Ken. My friend Ken, my homegirl. Bitch, this shit hot. I ain't even from the risk of biting that motherfucking chicken. What? Okay. Why didn't you tell me that my ex was messing with your friend wife right away?
Because I ain't know all the facts. Why you tell me your friend was messing
Whoa. You can't do that.
Okay.
You can't do that.
Alright.
Yeah, you can't do that.
But yeah, I was playing, I had to make sure I knew the facts before I said something. You know, you can't just jump to the conclusion.
But when you told me, it sounded like you already knew.
I was still piecing it up.
Okay. Well, let's burn.
It's alright.
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 Whatever.
Okay.
That was when we was together, by the way. My fault. Go ahead.
You ain't have to put that in there.
I just had to. What? It's on raw. I can't even talk.
We're gonna cut it.
My shit on fire.
Alright. Who is your celebrity crush?
My celebrity crush? Well, unfortunately, I can't have one because I'm talking to somebody.
Yes, you can. Who made that rule?
You're right. If I was single and I wasn't talking to nobody, it would be it would. She's funny. Tell a story of a time you and one of your friends fell out and why.
It was the time what? I think it's freshman year.
Freshman year of what? High school, college?
Freshman year of college. We had fell out with some petty stuff. I think I pranked this girl, saying he was with another girl.
And then what he do?
Then he went back and told my female best friend something that was not true. And
What?
it just blew up to a big proportion. And I was gonna knock his head off. We're good now. We're tight.
Oh, interesting. Wow. That's what's up.
Because y'all supposed to take everything y'all did, if your homeboy, homegirl,
What?
know,
To the
they supposed
grave,
take
huh?
that shit to the grave. Don't do that. Or you immediately.
To the grave.
Even if I did, I ain't say I did, but if I did, take that shit to the grave, you know. Alright, my turn. Alright. Did you ever fuck your friends?
Yes. Correct. That's your question? Perfect. Alright. How much money in your bank account right now?
0. Might like be like $300 in there. Be real with y'all.
Be real then. Be real.
That was my turn. Alright. Who is your favorite body?
My boo.
I thought you said you were single.
I am. I'm talking to somebody.
You either with someone or you not.
No, I'm single. We're single, but we're talking. It's a difference. Y'all together, y'all in the talking stage. We in the talking stage. Taking things slow, you know. Slow. My turn. Y'all had your questions to ask.
trying to think of
Ooh, have you ever had an STD?
No.
Go ahead.
Alright.
No, no. Alright,
Just go.
Alright, name the ugliest girl you've talked to.
Now what?
The ugliest girl you've talked to.
That's mean.
Didn't bite the chicken. I didn't want you to be mean, but bite that chicken.
Are you a bottom or top?
Top. Sometimes madam. Hey yo, you funny as hell, man. Boy, your shit's still weak. The name, okay. So this is my last question for him, and then he probably got one more, and we go end it. But so name one of your friends' girlfriend that is pretty to you. Or bite the chicken.
Who gave you these questions?
What you mean, bro? Bite the chicken.
Name one of my friend's girlfriends that's very pretty.
Yeah, that's pretty to you. Or bite the chicken.
Yeah, none of them.
That's a good answer.
No.
It's a real good answer. I was hoping you would say that or bite the chicken. Or not bite the chicken, actually. Go ahead.
Alright. Name one of the guys that
You funny as hell.
I get it. You trying to get me like chicken.
Yeah. There you go. Alright. Too bad you the last one.
Now we gotta keep going.
Nah.
Yes. We gotta keep going, y'all. Alright, because I'm just warming up.
You should have been warmed up.
Alright. So, want me to go again?
I would do him in that. Alright, y'all.
You want me to go again? One more question.
We'll do a part 2.
One more question. We have to spice it up for real.
Alright, go ahead. Your ass should have been ready. I got shit to do.
Have you ever had a one night stand? If so, name that person. Alright, one more.
The game really over. Well, y'all, that'll be the end. That'll be the end of that video, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed that. If y'all did, let us know if y'all want a part 2. Just a couple questions for y'all. Y'all go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, share.